Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Brothers and sisters, how are you? Al-ḥamdu Lil-lah. We just had a glimpse of Korea. Korea is a beautiful country. I've been there several times and I love it. And you know, recent years become very popular with the Muslim travelers. Of course, they have halal food there, don't worry. And plus, you see, recent years, the Korean TV shows, the K-pop has really popularized Korea. So we have a lot of visitors visiting Korea. And if you want to know more information about Korea, please do visit the website www.grupohalaltours.com. They have packages. At the moment, they are very popular packages, 5 days, 4 nights, and 7 days, 6 nights. So please do contact and enjoy yourself. Now, I'll come back to you after the message from our sponsors. See you later. Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. Today's a very interesting dish, and well, you know, I have been in Hong Kong, and they got something called sweet sour fish. I did it my own way, and I call it fish ball in sweet chili sauce. Right, cameraman, please come and have a look. What are the ingredients today? Of course, you need the fish ball. Now, fish ball has already been sliced. Now, you can buy this fish ball from Asian grocery stores. I mean, anyway, they will have it. If you go to the frozen area, you will find fish balls, right? You can get it from there. And what I did was, you have to defrost it, and I slice into pieces. The next one is the green capsicum. Green capsicum. Then we have shallots, and we have red dye. Look at the way I have cut it. Like it come in a square shape. Like, see, on the slice. It's not sliced, it's a cube shape. And then, of course, in Chinese cooking, you can't do without soya sauce. So here we have soya sauce, and then we got a bit of sesame oil, then we got garlic, and here we got oil, and here we got the Thai sweet chili sauce. Right? Okay, so let's start cooking. Come to my stove. Come on over here. I need to turn on the stove. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious. Okay, now let it get warmer, let it get warmer. And again, as usual, we have to start with the oil. Here we have oil. We put a little bit of oil. Pour some oil. Let the oil get a bit warmer. Now, the first thing I'm going to do with the ingredient is I would like to slightly pan fry these sliced fish ball. Just you'll see the difference in taste. So what I'm going to do, first of course, I'll add a little bit of, just a little, just to get the flavor, just to get a little bit of flavor. That's it. Only garlic this time, only garlic. And then I will put a little bit of onion leaf. Right? Just a little bit. Just okay. All right. See that. Now, listen to this. This is what I want to done. I would like to get it pan fried, slightly crispy. Look, so look at it go. Now, let it get warmer. Let it get warm. Mix. I have to mix it, stir it, and mix it. Okay. Now, when it gets a bit warmer, what I'll do is I'll add a little bit of light soy sauce, not dark soy sauce, light soy sauce. What I'm trying to do here is to make it a bit slightly crispy, so when you eat it, it really tastes good. I'll just, while I'm stirring it, I'll just put it in the center here. Look at the sound. Look at that. You get extra aroma. Stir a bit. Look at the change in color. Look at the change in color. And you can see now the expanding. Look, expanding. Stir, like stir, expanding. And I'll just put a tiny sesame oil. That's it. Okay, that's it. Very little. Now this is half done. I'm going to remove this fish bowl, the sliced fish bowl, from the pan, and I'll start cooking the veggie. Okay, now let's turn off the stove. There's a 3-step to it. So next will be to cook the vegetable. So just cook the vegetable a little bit, okay, here, and then a bit more garlic. Then we add the onions. This onion really gives good aroma. Smells good. Okay. Then I'll add this scallop. Then I'll add this. Oh, look at the sound. Look at this shiny vegetable. See how beautiful the vegetable is? Beautiful. Look at that. Now I'll leave it for a while. Let's say I'll leave it. As I mentioned to you, in Cantonese cooking, they don't want to overcook. They don't want to overcook the vegetable because they want to retain the vitamins. So it's about 70-80% cooked. So I'll just close it for a while. There you go. I'll close the lid. This time I'll have to add a little bit of water. And close it, right? Just now I have to add a little bit of water or it will become too dry. Right, so it's cooking by itself. Cameraman, get ready for this. Look at that, look at that. Stir. Look at the veggie. You don't want to get fully cooked, isn't it? So what we do, we add a bit of soya sauce. Again, a bit of soya sauce, good. Look at the color. Look at that color. Maa Shaa Allah. And now we start to add a little bit of this sauce. Just a little, just slowly here. We don't want to put all at once. Let it absorb. Let it absorb the sauce. So what we do? Slowly. Again, another spoonful. Look at that. Look. Oh man, this tastes good. I just wish you were here to smell. Now I put the rest of the salad, and then salt, just a little, because just a little salt will do. Just a little salt, that will do. And if you want to make it spicier, just add a little bit chili, that's it. If you want to make it spicier, just add a little bit of chili, that's it. Alright, and then stir. Cameraman, can you smell? Can you smell the aroma? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Bring it closer. Close up. Okay, now ready for this? Add a little bit of soy sauce. Okay, and then here goes. Who's this? What are you doing here? I know it smells good, but the food is not ready. Please be patient. Sabr. Please go and sit. I'll get the food for you. Now, sabr means patient. As a Muslim, we've been taught to be patient. So, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the shininess. Look at the shining. Glittering. And I pour the rest of the sauce on top of it. Rest of the sauce. Okay. Now look. The vegetable is not overcooked. It's healthy vegetable. Okay, and I'm going to turn it off and move to the table. Well, look at that. Look at this. Cameraman, come closer. There you have the fish bowl with sweet chili sauce. And what to go with it? With a bowl of white hot rice. That's the best thing to go with it. Young man, come on over. Come on over and try the food. Come on. A bit of rice on the side. Okay. And then here, You got a bit of veggie on the side, and then we got the bone. All right. Now, try it. Bismillah.
Bismillah. Really good. Really good.
Really, really good. I know why really, really good, because it's sweet. He loves sweet. He have a sweet tooth. Okay, thank you, Hussain. And continue eating. I know, cameraman, you're hungry, right? You're very hungry, right? Okay, don't worry. All right, brothers and sisters, thank you for watching. And then I have been receiving lots of messages. Thank you so much. Messages of encouragement, support. That's really helps me. It boosts me up to continue doing these videos. And until I see you next time, have happy cooking. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All the best.